I recently came across this viral video wherein a health influencer uses nutritional data of different forms of cooked potato and tries to impress upon the users how the fried and deep fried versions can have harmful effects on health. It reminded me of this book called How to Lie with Statistics, where the author shows the users how data and statistics affects our daily lives and how it can be used one way or another. So in this viral video, the influencer is comparing 100 grams of boiled potato with 100 grams of French fries with 100 grams of chips, what also known as wafers. While this is factually correct, it's not okay to compare foods by 100 grams quantities. As you can see here, this is demonizing food and creating an unnecessary scare and fear in the mind of the consumer. For over 100 years, nutrition databases have been designed to compute and store nutrition data for 100 grams of all foods. It's just a standard practice. However, this information is of limited use to the end consumer. And in order to make it usable to the end consumer, the same database also contains the gram weight of a standard serving of that food item. Just to give you an example, what value is it for an end consumer to know what is the nutrition value of 100 grams of ketchup when you're actually going to consume only 10 or 20 grams? In fact, there is a Nutritional Labeling and Education Act since 1990 called NLEA, and they have defined a standard serving size of various foods for an average individual. And as per that, the standard serving size of a boiled potato is actually 150 grams and not 100. That of French fries is 70 grams and not 100. And that of chips is around 30 to 40 grams and not 100. And now, if you look at this data and compare different forms of potato, they don't seem so scary at least. Now, after looking at this data, you may still decide to have the boiled potato versus the chips or the French fries because these lower in calories and those have higher fats and all that. But at least now you are doing it in an informed manner and not because of fear. Keep food simple, guys. Let's just make informed choices.